Hello students, this is the third video on bank reconciliation statement. So far I made two videos. One video is based on only theoretical concepts of bank reconciliation statement. All the theory I have covered. And second video is based on favorable balance solved problems. I have made some shorts even for short problems. I will provide all these videos links in the I button as well as in the description box. Please do watch those videos first prior to these videos for better understanding of the concept. In this video, I will cover the overdraft concept, solved problems, cash book as well as passbook. So let's start this video. Format. This is the very basic slide. Already I have furnished in the earlier videos also. This is the format of preparation of bank reconciliation statement. For better understanding sake, again I kept it. And this is very important. Cash book and passbook. Cash book debit balance favorable. Passbook cash book credit balance is overdraft. Whereas passbook debit is overdraft, credit is favorable balance. And whenever, please bear in mind, if it is favorable balance, whenever you deposit checks, it will be debited, paid into bank debited, discounting of bill debited, collection by bank debited. In the sense, whenever you have favorable balance, if you deposit the check, cash book balance will increase. Whereas if you issue the check, draw the check, discount, dishonor of bill, any payment made by the bank, cash book balance will decrease if it is credited. The vice versa will happen in case of passbook. Now, whenever we are doing overdraft balance, we consider cash book overdraft, passbook overdraft, cash book credit balance, passbook debit balance. Anything which is credited in the cash book will increase the overdraft. Anything which is debited in the cash book will decrease the overdraft. In the sense, if you deposit the checks in cash book, overdraft will decrease. If you issue the checks in the cash book, overdraft will increase. This will happen vice versa in passbook. So this concept you bear in mind while working out the problem. I will take this concept for solving the problem. Very easy. BRS is very easy provided you understand the concept. Now we will take up this question. Prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following particular. Bank balance credit as per cash book. Credit balance as per cash book, in the sense it is overdraft. In the question he has not mentioned overdraft, but he has specifically given bank balance cash book credit, in the sense overdraft. Checks for rupees 500 received from customer was entered in the bank column of the cash book in December 13, but same was omitted to be presented in the bank, sent to bank. Wrong debit 200 appears in the passbook. So very simple question, how to solve this problem. So I have drawn the format bank reconciliation statement. So main balance is overdraft, I have written as per cash book. Credit balance even I have mentioned for better understanding sake. The amount is 10,000. Now add and less items. Now we will come to the working note. Second item. So then we will take up cash book and passbook, two books. Which one is known here? Cash book is known. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. Therefore, difference, the variation in the passbook balance is very significant, either increasing or decreasing. That we will consider for add and less. Right? Now we'll take up the second transaction. First is already mentioned here. That is written main balance. Check of 500 received from a customer entered in the cash book in December 2013, but same was omitted to be paid into bank. In the sense, we did not deposit into the bank. It does means that. So in such a case, what we have to do, what will happen here? When you deposit a check and write in the cash book debit side, then what will happen? Your overdraft is already showing credit balance. Therefore, what will happen? Your cash book overdraft will decrease, because this transaction will be debited in the cash book. Already cash book is showing credit balance overdraft. So cash book overdraft will decrease. But the same entry was not posted in passbook. Therefore, passbook overdraft will be more. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. Therefore, what is the movement in passbook? It is increase, above arrow. Therefore, it should be a add item. Check received from a customer entered in the cash book but omitted to be paid into bank, sent to bank for collection. Therefore, what will happen? It is an add item 500 rupees. Next, a wrong debit appears in the passbook. Cash book and passbook again we have taken. Wrongly, the banker has debited amount of 200 in our passbook. Already passbook overdraft is debit balance, right? It is overdraft balance in the sense passbook debit balance. Already it is debit balance. One more item is debited. Therefore, what will happen? Overdraft of the passbook will increase. Whereas it is not recorded in cash book. Therefore, cash book overdraft will be less. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. What is the movement in the passbook? Above arrow. Therefore, it should be add item. A wrong debit appears in passbook. How much? 200. So, we have done with this question. We don't have any other transaction. Therefore, add 700 will be written. Add this 10,700. Less items we don't have. Then ultimately our answer is 10,700. This is called as overdraft as per passbook. I hope I made you understand. Very easy to understand. Right? If you have any doubt, put a comment. I will be glad to give a reply. Right? We will take up the next question. In this question, from the following particular prepared BRS bank balance as per passbook credit. Passbook balance credit in the sense favorable balance. Please bear in mind. Balance as per cash book credit. Cash book credit balance in the sense overdraft. Both the balances we have given in the question and we have not provided any answer. Therefore, we can take any one balance and we can find out the other balance as answer. Unpresented checks in the sense checks issued but not presented. Uncredited checks, checks deposited but not credited in the passbook. A check of 250 paid to Sharma wrongly credited to cash column. Debit side of cash book undercast. This is very important. Undercast concept I will explain. Bank charges has been entered in cash book, has not been entered in cash book, right? So we read the question. We will start doing the answer. Again, same. I have written bank reconciliation statement, then format bank balance as per cash book. Since we are doing overdraft in this video, therefore I have taken overdraft balance, that is balance as per cash book credit I have taken. This is overdraft balance. How much? 10,275. And what should be our answer? That is 3,600 favorable balance as per passbook we should get. Very important question. You will understand the crux of the BRS if you listen to me carefully. Right? Then unpresented checks. What do you mean by unpresented checks? Checks issued but not presented for payment. Then we will come to our working note. Add and less we keep. Cash book and passbook. Which one is known? Cash book is known. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. So movement in the passbook is very significant. Now unpresented check. When you issue a check, what will happen? Where do you write in cash book? Credit side. Already cash book is showing which balance? Credit balance. Then what will happen? Your cash book overdraft will increase. Whereas this check has not been presented in the bank for payment. Therefore, passbook overdraft will be less comparatively cash book. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. Therefore, decrease in passbook in the sense this item will be deducted. Unpresented checks 15,400. Clear? Next item. Uncredited checks. Again, cash book and passbook. When you deposit checks, you will send the checks to bank and it will be credited in the bank. But you have deposited, but it is not credited in the bank. When you deposit the check, where you will write in cash book? Debit side. Already cash book is showing credit balance, that is overdraft. So when you write on the debit side, your cash book balance will decrease. In the sense overdraft will decrease. Whereas this entry has not been posted in passbook, in the sense that fellow did not present these checks. Sorry, the banker did not collect this check amount and credited in the passbook. Therefore, passbook balance will be, overdraft balance will be more. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. Therefore, add it. Uncredited checks. Clear? Next, a check of 250 paid to Sharma has wrongly credited in cash column. See, this cash column in the sense 3-column cash book we prepare. Beside that cash column, we keep bank column. So we are considering bank column here. Instead of writing in the bank column, the accountant has posted in cash column. Therefore, what has happened? A item, that is cash book and passbook. So instead of writing in bank column, he has written in the cash column. Paid to Sharma. What has happened? There is no change in the passbook, but that fellow Sharma took the amount from the bank. Therefore, our passbook already showing an overdraft. So, passbook overdraft will increase and cash book overdraft will decrease. There is no entry in the cash book. So, cash book overdraft will decrease because he has collected money from the bank. Passbook overdraft will increase. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. Therefore, it is a add item 250. Next, B. Debit side of the cash book under cost by 400. When debit side of the cash book is under cost, in the sense it is a deposit side, debit side. If you while undercast in the sense, overcast, undercast in the sense, while calculations are made, you miss some item. If you miss some item, it is undercast. If you take some items double or twice, then it will be overcast. In the sense, while making the calculations, you are making mistake by taking less or by taking more. So less is undercast, more is overcast. When your debit side is undercast, what will happen? Our cash book overdraft will increase. In the sense, already it is showing credit balance, you did not consider some debit items, so balance of overdraft will increase, whereas passbook will decrease. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. Therefore, it is a minus item. Debit side of cash book under cost by 400. Right? C. Bank charges debited, not entered in cash book. Bank has charged certain amount and recorded in the passbook. Where he will record in the passbook? Debit side. So already passbook debit balance is overdraft. So overdraft balance will increase passbook, whereas cash book will decrease. Which one we need to find out? Passbook. Therefore, it should be a add item. Bank charges not entered in cash book 75. So like this, simply we have to do the problem. You understand the concept, you can easily do n number of problems. This is one of the most logical methods of BRS. Clear? Then we'll make the summation 1925, then total 12,200 and less total 15,800, deduct it. We are getting minus 3,600. Please, very important, minus 3,000. So this is what favorable balance as per passbook. So we were in overdraft. After the transaction, we got favorable balance, that is 3,600. So in this way, you need to work out the problem. I hope I have given you basic funda of this BRS. Please do understand, watch this entire video, right? You can easily understand. Clear? So I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide, and motivate me to make more qualitative, informative videos. Thank you very much.